Hello everyone, welcome to Stats with Supreetha. Have you ever noticed that sometimes the average doesn't really show the true picture? Let's say a group of students scored marks like 10, 20, 30, 40, and 95. The average looks quite high, but most students actually scored much lower. So, is average always reliable? Not really. That's where today's concept come in, that is median. Median helps us find the middle value of the data. So, in this episode we will learn what is median, how to find median for different types of data. Let's begin. So, what is median? Median is the value that divides the data in two equal parts. Half of the values are less than the median and half of the values are greater than the median. In other words, when the data is arranged in ascending or descending order, median is the middle value. Median is the positional average. It depends on the position of the value, not on how big or small the values are. Hence, median is the middle value of the ordered data. So, how to find median in the case of ungrouped data? First is arrange the data in ascending or descending order. Next is to find the middle value of the data. That is for in the case of odd number, median is n plus 1 by 2th observation. Okay. Now, in the case of even number, median is average of n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th observation. Understood? Let's see one example. So the data is given, that is 35, 12, 48, 6. Now the first step is arranging them in ascending order. That is 8, 12, 35, 40, 60. So number of observation is 5. So the median position is n plus 1 by 2 at the observation. That is 5 plus 1 by 2. That is third observation. So the here third observation is 35. Let's see one more example. In the case of even number. Now the data is given. Now arranging them in ascending order. That is 8, 12, 35, 40, 50, 60. So now n is 6. The middle position is third and fourth value. Now the median is arithmetic mean of two middle terms. That is 35 plus 40 divided by 2. That is 37.5. Now, let us understand in the case of frequency distribution. When the data is given in the form of frequency, we cannot directly pick the middle value. So, we use cumulative frequency to locate the position of median, which is n by 2. Step to find median are prepare less than cumulative frequency distribution. Then find n by 2. Now, see the cumulative frequency just greater than n by 2. Now the corresponding value of the variable gives the median. Let's see one example. 8 coins were tossed together and the number of heads x results was noted. The operation was repeated 256 times and the frequency distribution of the number of head is given below. Okay, now we need to find the median. I already noted the value of x and f and calculated less than cumulative frequency. I already discussed how to find less than cumulative frequency in the previous videos. So now, now sum of f, that is already given in the question, that is 256. Now to find the median, we need to find n by 2, that is 256 divided by 2, that is 128. Now see the cumulative frequency just greater than n by 2, that is greater than 128 is 167. Hence the corresponding to 167 is 4, the value x. So the number of head is 4. The median number of head is 4. Now let us find median in the case of continuous frequency distribution. As we discussed before, median is the value of the n plus 1 by 2th observation. Let's see the steps to compute median in the case of continuous frequency distribution. First step is preparing less than cumulative frequency distribution. Then finding n by 2. Then see the cumulative frequency just greater than n by 2. The corresponding class contains median value, that is called median class. Now the value of median is obtained by using the formula median is L plus h by f into n by 2 minus c, where L is the lower limit of median class, n is total frequency, c is cumulative frequency before median class, f is the frequency of median class, h is class width. Now let's see one more example. The frequency distribution of weight in grams of mangoes of a given variety is given below. Calculate median. Let's see. So I have already noted the values and calculated less than cumulative frequency. Let's see how to calculate median. The first step is prepare the less than cumulative frequency. That's already done. Then is find n by 2. What is n? N is sum of f, that is 200. Now n by 2 is 200 divided by 2, which is 100. Next, see the cumulative frequency just greater than n by 2, that is 130. So the corresponding class containing the median value, its median class is 440 to 450 is the median class. Here L is the lower limit of the median class, that is 440. H is the class width, that is 10. F is the frequency 54. C is cumulative frequency before the median class, that is 76. Let's calculate the median, that is L for 40 plus H divided by F, that is 54 into n by 2 100 minus C, that's 76. So the answer is 444. The median class is 444. The median that is mangoes, uh, weight of mangoes in gram. This is how we calculate median in the case of continuous frequency distribution. So today we discussed what is median and how to find median in different types of data. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Starts with Supreetha. Thank you so much.